Namaste, I am Janina Tubon. My topic is randomized trial of posaconazole and benzonidazole for chronic chagas disease. Definition: Chagas disease, a chronic parasite infection caused by the protozoan Trypanosoma cruzi, is considered to be one of the neglected tropical diseases. The safer and more effective therapeutic options for patients with Chagas disease are clearly needed.
Chagas disease is a potentially life-threatening illness transmitted by the kissing bug, which carries the Trypanosoma cruzi parasite. It is mostly found in Central and South America. It is estimated that it infects as many as 11 million people. The kissing bug often bites victims on their lips during sleep and leaves behind parasite-laden feces. The disease has two phases. A 2-month acute stage is marked by symptoms including headache, fever, diarrhea, vomiting, fatigue, body aches, skin rashes, and swelling in one eye. Up to 90% of cases are cured when treated during the acute phase. If untreated, the disease progresses to a lifelong chronic phase. The parasites can affect the heart and digestive system, causing damage in these areas, and may eventually cause heart failure and death. Cure rates decrease with time.
Current therapeutic options for Chagas disease are benzonidazole and nifurtimox, limited to that have been associated with low cure rates in the chronic phase of the disease and have considerable toxicity.
So this is exactly what happens during the acute phase of this infection. So this is a picture of another child with the classical swelling around the region of the eye, which is a very common site of entry for these parasites in humans. And this is the classical diagnostic picture of finding these highly motile trypanosomes in the blood of these.
In the group of benzonidazole treatment was stopped in 5 patients due to severe skin reactions. In the posaconazole group, 4 patients had aminotransferase levels that were more than 3 times the upper limit of the normal range, but there were not dropouts from treatment.
The life cycle of Trypanosoma cruzi in the human host. In this video, we see the life cycle of Trypanosoma cruzi in the human host. The trypanosome life cycle begins with the triatomine insect, which is infected with T. cruzi, biting a human host. Following the ingestion of blood, the metacyclic trypamastogotes are released with the feces from the insect near the area of the bite. Note that this form has great motility. Observe that the parasite enters the host through the bite site when the host scratches the site, or when the parasite moves to a region covered by mucosa. The parasite reaches the mammalian bloodstream and
Application in medicine. Several clinical trials have been conducted to assess the efficacy of the treatments in the chronic phase of Chagas disease, which is the phase in which most patients with this condition receive the diagnosis. Pros: this drug has already been approved by regulatory agencies, both European and American medicine.
Chagas disease is an illness spread by insects. It is common in South and Central America. Infected blood-sucking bugs, sometimes called kissing bugs, spread it. When an infected bug bites you, usually on your face, it leaves behind infected waste. You can get the infection if you rub it on your eyes or nose, a bite wound or a cut. The disease can also spread through contaminated food, a blood transfusion, a donated organ, or from mother to baby during pregnancy. Chagas disease symptoms. Chagas disease has two phases.
Accounts: possible tissue toxicity, cardiac conduction, particularly it's high and private. However, a significantly greater number of patients in the posaconazole group compared to treatment with benzonidazole failed to follow up.
Chagas disease is also known as American trypanosomiasis and is the cause of 12,500 deaths every year. It's estimated that between 8 and 10 million people suffer from the disease. It affects mainly Latin America, but as a result of the increase in global migration and mobility, cases have also been reported in Europe, the United States, Australia and Japan. The Chagas vector is the kissing.
Thank you.